Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. I truly appreciate you guys, and in particular my online friends. You guys are the best. Thank you for supporting me on this channel. It has not gone unnoticed, and I'm really loving all of the conversation that we have on this channel. Thank you very much. And if you've just come across my channel, you are so welcome. So for this week's video, as you've seen, it is about rice water, because me and rice water, we are like that, okay? It makes my hair grow really nice. Rice water's cheap, okay? And rice water's easy to do. So who wouldn't want to do it? The YAO women who have got 6 feet long hair do it the best, because their hair is just amazing. Not only do they have length, they have shine, they have well-conditioned hair, and their hair is jet black, not a grey hair in sight. So I kind of like thought to myself, I'm going to research and find out how they are doing it. So it's common sense. Those who are the best at doing something, you research into what they're doing and how they do it. So I realised there was very few videos and not much information out there that talked about the way the YAO women prepare their rice water. Let's bear this in mind. They wash their hair with their rice water. They do not do a rinse like us in the Western world. We rinse our hair with it or do it as a leave-in, but they use the rice water to wash their hair. My hair, I will have 1 strand on my head if I did that, okay? But there is a particular way that they like to prepare their rice. I'm going to show you guys how they do it. So if you want to see how it's been prepared, stick around. So first of all, I want to note that it doesn't matter the measurement. I'm not giving measurements that are precise, okay? So here I'm using 1 cup of rice. And again, I'm using basmati rice, not because that's what they use. I don't actually know. I haven't discovered what type of rice they use, guaranteeing that it's organic rice. Just some rice that's been, you know, from a fountain of growth. It comes from somewhere, but it's definitely going to be organic. So I'm using 1 cup of rice, and I'm just going to go ahead and rinse off all of the dirt that's on the rice. So rinsing is important, and as you rinse the rice, there's the very minimal amount of nutrients that is actually being lost. So when you're rinsing the rice, it actually rids the grains of any surface pollution, starches, or anything that of chemical base that may harm you. So I'm just going to go ahead and lightly rinse the rice. Now, as you can see, I am just running the tap over the rice. I'm not moving it around, I'm just rinsing it evenly all over the rice. So the next step is an important one, and this is for you to wash the rice. I'm not saying rinse, I'm saying wash. There's a big difference, and it kind of makes sense because anything that needs to be deposited into the water will be evenly done as you're scrubbing and washing the rice. Okay, so once you've washed the rice, let it sit for just a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then you're going to sieve out the rice. So we need to get this part right, because what they normally do is they separate the rice from the rice water, they put aside the rice, and they use the water. This water is what they're going to be using to wash their hair. So moving on, and this water is now the precious water that is going to be used to, as the YAO women do, to dunk their hair in and to wash with. So following on from that, there is another very important step that they do, is to add acidic fruit to their rice water. And through research, I've noticed that they use either mandarin or orange peel. Limes and lemon can also be used, but orange peel is usually a favourite. So let me just tell you a little about vitamin C. Trust me, vitamin C needs to be in your skin and hair game. It needs to be, because vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against oxidative stress caused by free radicals. In addition to this, your body needs vitamin C to create a protein known as collagen, which is an important part of hair structure. Now, vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron, and this is a mineral which is necessary for hair growth. Now, I must be clear, I need to let people know that there are some side effects with using vitamin C, because vitamin C is also a sure way to lift hair dye. Now, you have to be careful on how much you use if you're using an essential oil, because vitamin C in this way as an essential oil is a potent essential oil. It's not a carrier oil, so you would have to add it in with the carrier oil. Excessive amounts of the essential oils of vitamin C could or may cause some kind of dryness to the hair. I'm telling you now, don't overdo it with the drops of vitamin C essential oils, okay? Alright, so the next step is to bring your water with the orange peel or the acidic fruit to the boil. Now, you do not need to boil it for too long. Make sure it's boiling for about 3 minutes and then let it simmer. Once it's starting to simmer, I then decanter it into the jar that I want to put it in, and then I leave it. Now, this is the stank part. On some parts of research, it said to leave it for a week after. Not in the fridge, just lying there to further ferment. Some was 1 month, and another place where I researched was 3 months. Hey, honey, I'm actually going to leave it for 24 hours. I'm not leaving it for that long because it's already fermented. I don't need further fermentation for my scalp to stink that much. Now, I'm not even actually sure the reason why they prepare their rice like that. I don't even know. Preparing their rice like this, does it mean this is why they wake up Rapunzel? I don't know, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it because you just never know. It might be the way I'm preparing my rice that's making the difference for me actually getting a lot more length in my hair growth. So then I left my water to chill out for 24 hours and I thought enough is enough. I don't want any stinky fungi on my scalp just to get Rapunzel hair. Alright, I'm not that desperate. I then decanted it, and here we have the rice water. As you can see, it looks very orange, and I haven't smelt it yet, so we're gonna do that together. Okay. Oh, pleasantly surprised. That's nice. That's nice. I can do that. I may have put too many pieces of orange peel in it, but I don't care. It smells good. I don't mind this. I don't mind smelling like this. Looking forward now. So I will be using this particular rice water to put into my roots. I also will be using it to mix up with different things and concoctions and a few DIYs that I want to share with you guys because I want to do another challenge. And when I have a hair challenge, it just makes me a bit more accountable to you guys because I feel like we're doing this together like sisters, you know? And we are trying to make our hair healthy and long. So I'm going to be starting at the beginning of November, my birthday month. I'm going to be 48, guys. Can you believe it? 48. Anyway, I digress. I'm going to be doing another challenge and I want you guys to join me in the challenge. I know you know nothing about it, but who's up for another hair challenge? It's winter. We need to have a challenge that is going to get us through the winter months. Well, actually, it's fall, but we are preparing for the winter. I ain't playing. This winter, I'm ready. Hey, shalele. Yeah, so let me know in the comments if you're up for another challenge, because I am, whether you are or not. Okay, guys, that's it. I really just wanted to share with you the little bit of research that I gained about how the women in the YAO tribe prepare their rice water. Maybe, just maybe, preparing it in there the way they do it is the key to actually seeing better hair growth and better, healthier, that doesn't make sense, does it? Healthier hair, okay? Just out of interest, how many of you actually prepare it exactly like that? So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you watching my video. Give it a like, okay? It really helps my channel. Okay, I'm gonna go now because I've got to edit this video and then upload it. I will see you guys in my next one. You take care now and God bless you. Bye.